Hi guys, I'm Amanda Etheridge, Senior Product Manager at Lifesize, here with a quick overview of the Admin Console. The Admin Console makes it easy to manage and customize your video conferencing experience across your entire organization to get the most out of your Lifesize service. When you first log in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you can view your account data and activity by user or device in a variety of formats. From the menu, you can access the entire directory of users, room systems, and meetings associated with your Lifesize account. Click through and you can view contact and device information, edit settings, monitor real-time device status, and more. Selecting recordings from the menu allows you to access your complete library of cloud recordings. Recording speed is where all recorded meetings for your account are stored. My Recordings is the archive of recordings that you own. And Watch List is where you can save recordings to watch later. Now, let's take a look at account settings, where you have a variety of ways to customize your experience. Under General Settings, you can set the default language for your account, enable chat for users, and configure your meeting invites. You can also set recording and share permissions, decide how participants are displayed on screen, and apply chat integrations for Microsoft Teams and Slack. Device Settings is where you can enable email alerts to monitor room systems for any critical issues and choose a custom background for your conference room displays. In the remaining top menu options, you can review your account details, access useful downloads, and configure single sign-on for your account. For a closer look at the individual tools and settings available in the Admin Console, check out the other videos in this series, and be sure to follow us on social media for the latest features and updates. Thanks for watching.